So a tool bag is provided, and it contains the jack, a puck which fits into the lifting point, the nuts that go on the spare tyre, the tool for lifting and lowering with the jack, and the brace for undoing up wheel nuts. So tell me when.
Fire away.
So after I lowered the car, I realised that the puck might not really be necessary because the jack as supplied has a fitting on the top that's just the right shape to go into the BMW lifting point. Perhaps it's different on the rear. I'll have a look at that shortly.
Nope, it's the same.
Park brakes on and the car's in park. And we're on basically level ground. We're clear? Okay, thank you. All right, take that out and finish removing this wheel. So when you're ready.
Fire away.
So there is a bit of a trick here that as soon as you take the last bolt out, the wheel wants to fall off because there's only a very small hub holding it, as you will see. So there's the hub holding it, and it's not substantial.
Okay.
We've got the spare. These are the original BMW bolts, which I'll set aside, and these are the supplied ones for the spare. So hopefully this is not too heavy to lift on, which it is not. In fact, it sits there probably more easily than the BMW one because it's not as heavy. I'll just get one nut started to give me a bit of stability. There we go. So that's just finger tight on one nut and put all the rest in no particular order. So I'll take all these up to
The finger tight.
Okay.
Go again.
Okay. So I'll take these 5 bolts up to finger tight. To make sure they're all properly seated.
Yep.
So I've got all those on finger tight. Now I will tighten them up somewhat more, working opposite faces. And the gearbox is holding the wheel steady, so it's not going far when I try to tighten it. I'm going to lower it down now using the jack in reverse mode. And to reverse it, you have to flick this little switch, I believe. And the shape of it is angled so that you don't hit your car with the handle. So you've got to watch what you're doing. So we're just taking her for a drive. It feels quite normal. Speeds today will be less than 60 where I'm travelling, but I know it's limited to 80 if you're on the open highway. That would be manageable by the feel of this. It feels quite normal.